Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. We'll be traveling tomorrow morning, and I won't be able to get this out before market open, so you are getting it tonight. So here we go. Yesterday was a choppy day, no market today. Calls and puts so even throughout the day, not a whole lot going on, just flat, a lot of geopolitical news and things like that going on. We did have a small green DEX. Now let's jump into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. Well, customers got even more bearish on Wednesday, so that's interesting to see. And our whale targets remained the same, 605 to 590. So any of that downside look, 590 is where we want to look to see if anything gets below. And if we can get above 605 for some reason on any pops, we want to see if anything gets above. Jumping into our dark pools, 596 is still where we're at on the ag. Moved there on Tuesday evening into Wednesday, and we're starting there on Friday as well. No sig prints to worry about. Go ahead and pause and mark all these on your chart or use the bot like I do in the Discord. Jumping into gamma, crazy range. On the ag, over 605 sends us to 608. If we can't break 605, we got that small little bar there, positive repel at 598. Biggest pulls are 590 and 600. Let's hope we don't chop in between a couple of levels. Even if we get up high, we don't want to chop in a $3 range. We'd much rather go 605 to 598 as a tradable range, so we'll keep an eye there. Fridays are always a little crazy when it comes to gamma. We'll go ahead and take a look to see if there's anything different on the daily look. Not really. Still looking at 600 and 590 as the biggest pulls, with a little bit of more of a positive gamma cluster here at 598, 597, and then a huge repel bar at 605. So keep an eye there. Obviously, if crazy things happen, we can get to 585 or all the way up to 618. Those are our extremes. We're not going to worry about that right now. Tomorrow will be a very important day to keep an eye on 0 day and net flow to see if we get any consistency across the board. On Wednesday, what we saw was flow line. We saw all the different DTEs of net flow. We had two bearish, two bullish. What did we get? A nice little trap range in between there with not a whole lot of continuity. All right, that's all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.